How to change the PIN of Bank of America credit card. To change your credit card's PIN, open the bank's website. When the main page is loaded, find the login form and in the login form enter your user ID and password. And then again click login. After login to your account dashboard, you can see all of your checking and credit accounts. In the top horizontal menu, find accounts and hover over it. In the drop-down menu, select Manage Card Settings. On the card settings page, you can see your debit card. You can change the PIN for your card at the ATM or visit a bank branch. Click on Credit Cards. For a credit card, you can change your PIN online. Click Create or Change PIN. It opens a page where you must enter and repeat a new PIN. Now, click on Change PIN and then you can see confirmation that the PIN for your credit card was set up. And that's it, guys. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.